How to get $100 Poshmark promo code. For this, you have to go ahead and open a browser that you prefer. Search for Poshmark promo code. It will display a lot of websites that will provide you the promo code of Poshmark. You can go ahead and just click on any of these websites. For an example, I'll be selecting the first one. So what is exactly Poshmark? So Poshmark is one of the leading online marketplace for fashion enthusiasts to buy and sell pre or new owned clothing, shoes and accessories. It has all kind of collection for men, women and kids as well. So this application also connects buyers and sellers across the world and offers a curated selection of trendy items in reasonable price. Now talking about promo codes, here you can see there are a vast range of promo code that you can use for. Now if you find some of these fascinating, just go ahead and tap on any of the promo code that you want. Now just like that, the code will be itself copied and wait until the Poshmark is loaded. Now you have to sign in into this website using your Facebook, Google or Apple, and once you do that, you have to purchase an item. Then you will see a dialog box where it says promo code. You just have to go ahead and paste the promo code in the website, and just like that you'll be able to use your promo code of Poshmark. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.